My district name is Shariatpur. It's a district in division of Dhaka, the central part of Bangladesh. It is formed by Podda and Meghna rivers. It is also called a riverine landscape. It is prominent and also waterways Podda and Meghna. It was established in 1st March 1984 according to the name of Haji Shariatullah. Haji Shariatullah was the most famous person in our country, and according with his name, our district was established. It also called Islamic areas in native, and also it was established at in 19th century because of Islamic revivalist. You can call through the Islamic revivalist. In this district, there has lots of people, all around 30 lakhs people are living in these districts. Among them, 6,20,000 males peoples are living there, and also 6,80,000 people like female person are living in this city, and also 87 people are living third gender in our native districts. This information is according to Wikipedia from 2020. Now I describe about the significant border of our native district. In native district, it's surrounded by 4 districts like Borishal, Chatpur, Madaripur, and also Munshiganj. The western part is surrounded by Munshiganj, the eastern part surrounded by Chatpur, and the southeast part surrounded by Borishal, and as well as the north part surrounded by Madaripur. Now I am talking about administration in our native district, including 6 upazila in my native district like these are Shariatpur Shodor, Bhadarganj, Kosherhat, Damodar, Noida, Jajira, etc. It has a geographical diversity. Their geographical diversity is latitude and longitude. Their latitude is 23 degrees 1 to 23 degrees 27 inches, and their longitude is 90 degree 1 inch to 90 degree 36 inch. Historical places. There has a lot of historical places like the literature, the famous literature Abu Ishaq house, and also Shariatpur Shodar Mosque, and also there has a reputed place. This is called Noria Jo. This is the most famous place. And thank you, sir, for giving the chance and listening for my speech. Thank you everyone.